Vintage Backyard RC.
Why, hello, and welcome to Vintage Backyard RC. Before we begin today, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. It'll keep you up to date on our latest videos. Also, be sure to see us over on Instagram, keep you up to date what we're up to during the week. I appreciate that. Now, we have a ton of news and events and things happening around us. Probably the biggest is I have a lot of footage already shot. I've done a really bad job of keeping secrets. You guys know that I already have the Falcon track video in the can. And for once in my life, I'm ahead of the game for content for the winter. So stay tuned. A lot of cool things coming up. Of course, we have our Falcon. We have a Madcap, XX, XXX, all kinds of footage. We have a couple build videos, one of which is our 1987 Joel Johnson replica. This is a fantastic build, and we also got it out on the track. So stay tuned for that. This thing's a monster. What else happened? Our builds. So we're going to have a lot of what's on the bench builds, one of which is a Kyosho Ultima 2. I think this is a Turbo Ultima 2. I'm not sure yet. Haven't worked out the details. But something cool really happened while I was sorting out parts for this vehicle. I headed over to Boki Racing, of course, to order a new body for it, which is right here. Wonderful Boki quality as usual. Can't wait to get that mounted. And he included something amazing in the box. Check this out, guys. My own personalized decals for my cars. I am blown away. I was blown away. To have these on my vehicles is going to be fantastic. Now, this is going to be a new product line from Boki Racing. He's going to include decals with some of his bodies. I believe he's going to have it available separately on the website as well. It's a brand new product. I don't know all the information yet, so be sure to stay tuned to Boki Racing. Head over there. Also see them on Instagram for updates on what they have going on. One thing that's wonderful about these decals is they're pre-cut. Right now, I've ruined plenty of a good decal sheet, expensive decal sheet, with my X-Acto knife. I'm not really good at that. Being able to just peel them off and stick them on the car is a game changer. Thank you, Boki Racing, for bringing me these and bringing us these. And you guys stay tuned to Boki as usual. I love them, and I really appreciate them. What else do we have going on? Well, my daughter's getting older. She doesn't have so much time to hang out with Dad and film RC car videos. So I had to figure out a way to get these cars filmed going around the track. And the only way I knew how to do it was to strap this goofy thing on my head. So the videos are going to look a little bit different than you're used to. We still have all the same great camera angles and stuff. It's just that this is a little bit wider pan than the cell phone following a car around. So if you see a little bit of change in how the video looks, this is why. This is our Lone Wolf series, the next batch of videos, because I'm doing everything myself. And we'll see how it turns out. I do have the Falcon done, and I can tell you it looks amazing. So stay tuned with that, guys, and just a little change for the channel. I also have gigantic news, the biggest news that I'm not ready to tell you guys about yet. I don't want to jinx myself, to be honest with you, but it is absolutely game-changing for the channel. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll announce that by the end of the year. As you can see, we have all these cars to show you. Did a terrible job keeping that secret that I filmed the Falcon already. We're probably going to save that for our 100th video because I want to make that something special. On the What's on the Bench, I think I've told you about the Ultima 2 already. We also have a 1987 Joel Johnson replica, Ultima replica. This is a great build. I have my first truck. Now, you guys know I'm not into trucks, right? But this one, how can you not be into this? This is, of course, a Losi JRXT. I believe this is the first car you could get in a box, put together, and put out on the track. It wasn't a conversion. It was something offered to the racers to go stadium truck racing right out of the box. I can't wait to get this car done. If I can get it on the track before the snow comes, I absolutely will. But I'm definitely going to have a build video on it. So stay tuned for that What's on the Bench. What else do I have to tell you guys about? Oh, yes. Merch. So we do have... I'm going to be opening up a little merch store. Full disclosure, the stuff's only marked up $1 or $2. It's not really there to support the channel as much as it is if you guys want to have some vintage backyard RC stuff in your house. I'd really appreciate that. I really think it's cool. I'd like to thank my buddy Adam over at Adam's Playground for steering me on how to do that. So thanks for hooking me up, brother. I really do appreciate it. And That's about it, guys. We just have so much content for you guys that are to get us through the winter, and hopefully you guys enjoy everything we bring you guys. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel out, helps me out. Hit the like button, ring the bell. We'll chat down below as always. You guys rock on, take care, and have a good winter.